The title race reignited and the race to Champions League is on. Man United beat Chelsea 1-0. Brilliant assist from Bruno Fernandes, 18 for the season. Um, Casemiro, Mateus Cunha with the goal. A 1-0 scoreline. Um, Clean sheet. And Manchester United Champions League hopes. It looks like it's going to happen. Aston Villa just won't stay down. After a thriller 7-goal game, Aston Villa came back twice from behind, I think. Aston Villa came from behind and they just won't stay off our tails. Liverpool got lucky with Virgin van Dijk's header. A late header from Virgin van Dijk got the game to 2-1 victory for Liverpool. I hope they get Champions League football because we just want to kick them out of the Champions League next season. And the game of the weekend, Manchester City versus Arsenal. What a game. Haaland with the winning goal. Turkey being a magician. And the title race might just be on. With City having a game in hand and 3 points behind Arsenal. Guys, the bottling has begun.